Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. There are two things that you have to remember for you to be able to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. First is you have to have at least 15 net worth upgrades so that you can unlock the album collection. It is located down here next to the friends button. As you can see on my sample here, when I try to open the album collection, it would show this saying I would need this to be 15 before I can access it. Now I'll go over to my other Monopoly account where I have the album collection unlocked. Once it's unlocked, you'll then see these sets of stickers. Now, second thing you have to remember is you will only be able to trade stickers if you own duplicates for them. Stickers with multiple copies will be marked with +1, +2, depending on how many there are. All you have to do is select that duplicate sticker from a collection and then tap on the send button below. Once done, just select a friend from your friends list. It is worth mentioning that you can only send up to 5 stickers in a day to your friends. And that's it. That's how you trade stickers in Monopoly Go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.